From the province of Trapani, we're very near Partanna, and we're on the Assato family farm that grows one of the most beautiful and delicious olives in the world, really.
That's correct. And we've learned three things today, haven't we? What have we learned?
100% organic.
100% sustainable. And number three, which really should be number one, 100% sustainable.
All right, let's go meet the Assato family. Nestled in the heart of the province of Trapani, on the northwest coast of Sicily, is the little village of Partanna, where time seems to be at a standstill. Partanna was once an ancient Sicilian, Greek, Roman, and Arab town. It is located between the valleys of Belice and Modion. And because of its fertile ground, the economy of Partanna is mostly based on the cultivation of olives, grapes, and agriculture.
This is our history, the history of Partanna. The fountain.
Meet Mr. Antonio, or as he likes to be called, Nino Assato, third-generation cultivator and producer of olives, olive oil, and many other products. He is standing next to an 18th century water fountain, once used by villagers to meet, to wash clothes, and much to our amusement, still used by livestock to rehydrate. Nino is holding a can of one of his most popular products, the Partanna olive oil, with a scene on the can that is set exactly where he's standing. Set in the background is another Partanna icon, the Castello de Griffio.
This is my father, and Tommaso, and this is my grandfather, Nino Assato.
The story of the Assato family goes back to 1916, when Nino's grandfather started a small farm, complete with an olive mill. In 1919, Nino's father and uncle moved to the United States and started the Assato Brothers Company. After Nino's grandfather died, his father returned to Sicily and took over the production of the small family farm. He brought home with him a wealth of business knowledge and over time acquired more land. This is when the family business really began to grow. Tommaso is one of Nino's sons, a fourth-generation Assato, now running the import business from the United States.
And when he came back here, he made the farmer bigger. He bought so many other farms. And of course, yeah, the different view of the business, much more organized. And since then, the company it's growing and growing.
Today, the main olive tree farm is in Castelvetrano, the area that is reputed to have some of the world's very best olives, thanks to the dry, arid, but extremely fertile soil. The Assato Organic Farm consists of 400 hectares, or 1,000 acres of olive trees. 100% sustainable. We spoke to Tommaso and his father under one of the oldest trees on the farm, estimated to be over 400 years old. What's one of the biggest things you learned from your father?
From him, since I was little, I learned to take care about the farm, because this is the most important part of the business. Make sure that olive trees are treated in the way that you see, pruning, give the water in the summer, not putting any chemicals, and then having a lot of care for the olives when we press the olives. This is the most important things that he always teach me.
Castelvetrano olives are internationally renowned and ranked as one of the world's best.
And it's the unique olives that grows only in this area in the world. There is no other place in the world where you can find the Nocellara de Belice. The olives are really famous because it's so sweet. It's bright green in color, which attract people with the color. And then when you taste it, it's so sweet, and it's been cured with really low salt.
The main production facility is just down the road from the farm in Partanna. Olive graders select the best of the best to can or bottle to export. Either brine or olive oil is added to the olives depending on the condiment they are making. The tall stainless steel holding containers store the olive oils after pressing. They're kept in separate containers depending on the specific variety of oil that is pressed. During the pressing and storing process, the oil is constantly tested for purity, acidity, and many other variables. The state-of-the-art facility is overseen by Nino and his other son, Virgil, who says he loves all aspects of the olive oil production.
The agricultural and all is olive oil. The A Z.
Asaro bottled several varieties of olive oils, including the award-winning Partanna, the organic Paesano, and Oro di Sicilia. Lately, they started infused olive oils, including flavors such as orange and lemon, plus jarring local produce in olive oil. Virtually all of their oils are organic, non-GMO, kosher, and unlike some other exporters, made with 100% Sicilian olives. From the farm to the bottling facility in one step.
We are a fully vertically integrated family that we start from the farm and everything is completed bottling the product that we produce.
100%.
100% fully vertically integrated, 100% Sicilian, 100% made in the farm.
Giuseppe, Tomas's son, will be the 5th generation Asaro working on the business. In fact, he already started at the tender age of 5.
Giuseppe has a really natural passion for the farm, which is not very common in the kids. Since he was very little, he always loved to be in the farm. This is why when he was 5 years, he was running already tractors, cars, and he really can run the farm without me at 11 years old.
I have a passion for the farm.
You have a passion for the farm. You like the trees?
Yes, I like the trees, the olive trees.
La cosa più importante, very important, work and honesty.
The Asaro family, 5 generations of honoring land, its fruits, and family tradition. What an afternoon in Partanna, and really this area blooming with such beautiful trees that really yield some delicious olive oil.
Me, it was all about the family, from the father to the son to the little boy, the grandson who's going to be taking over the earth. I'm telling you one thing, I was emotionally moved by seeing this with this beautiful family here myself.
And if you've enjoyed this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, check us out at evazmediagroup.com or go to Facebook. See you next time. Ciao.